just got the Farberware Electric Can Opener from Walmart for $9.96. It has one-touch hands-free operation, a bottle opener on the front, and a knife sharpener on the back, and easy cord storage on the back. The left side of the box has the same information. The right side of the box has the same information. Here's the back of the box. It says we can press and release the lever with one-touch hands-free operation. It attaches magnetically like most other electric can openers. All right, let's open it up. Some cardboard on top. We have our instruction manual. Let's pull it out of there. Some cardboard in the bottom. Okay, we have something wrapped up in the cardboard here. There's the top piece of our can opener. Our blade we can attach. And there's the magnet. All right, let's open the can opener. All right, there's the side view of the can opener. There's the other side of the can opener. There's the front of the can opener. Have our bottle opener here. It says Farberware on the front. All right, there's the back of it. Has the knife sharpener right here. There's a look from the top of it. All right, there's the bottom. Power cord's in there pretty good. Let's take that power cord out of there. It's twisty tied in there, and it has another tie in the end here. I'm gonna cut that off of there. Okay, let's attach our blade bracket. Line that up. We're good to go. Okay, let's try it out. Plug it in.